back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
We're getting ready to turn them loose. Josh Stringer in that number 0 out of Nancy, Kentucky. The 49 is Joey Stringer. Joey raced here back in the late 90s with us, some 30 years ago at Cumberland Speedway. And the 51R is Rodney Keaton out of Somerset, Kentucky. Taylor Hammond's in that number 8. So those are the cars out here right now as Hammond's going to loop it over in turn 1 and 2 and bring the caution out here as we're going to get. So green flag back out in the air for Josh Stringer in that number 0. 12 signed in here tonight at Lake Cumberland Speedway. Joey Stringer, the fast one after that first lap, 17.739. Rodney Keaton, Josh Stringer. Taylor Hammond, your new quick time at 17.416. 17.416 for Taylor Hammonds. So after the first group, it is Taylor Hammonds, Josh Stringer, Joey Stringer, and Rodney Keaton. So even though he only got one lap after that out on the track. Brent Hall in the 52H. The 71 of Spencer Luttrell out of Russell Springs, Kentucky, second generation driver. And that black number 71. Terry Greenwell in that number 45. Caleb Mills in the 2. So our next group out, we'll have another group after this, and then we're going to go into your American All-Star Pro Late Model qualifying. So Caleb Mills goes a 19.950 in that number 2 car. So it's still Taylor Hammond, Josh Stringer, Terry Greenwell now up to 3rd. And then it's going to be Joey Stringer, Rodney Keaton, Brenton Hall, Spencer Luttrell, and Caleb Mills as we have our last group getting ready to roll out onto the racing surface. Crown Vics rolling out onto the speedway. Our last group of qualifiers. So we'll see the green next time by for Jeffrey Cranmer. Well, they're going to drop it now. Green flag in the air. Jeffrey Cranmer, 3rd quick, a 17.689. Brandon Emerson goes 4th quick. Alan Douglas, 2nd quick, and that number 93, a 17.478. So your last group, all right there, your top 5. Jeffrey Cranmer goes quick time, a 17.373 for Jeffrey Cranmer. Alan Douglas says, I'm going to one-up you there, a 17.294. New quick time, Alan Douglas in that number 93. Price for his.
All right, so Brian wants a Tiger Blood slushy, okay?
Slushy.
He wants a Tiger
Snow
Blood
cone.
slushy. We need a snow cone brought to the press box. First fan brings us a snow cone to the press box. Joseph will sing you happy birthday directly to your face from the American All-Star Series, but we need one here.
All right, we're going to get into qualifying for your Reno's Roadhouse front-wheel drive mini stocks. First group out on the racing surface, the H12. That is Ryan Hargis out of Science Hill, Kentucky. Second generation driver. The 93A of Nathan Adams out of Crossville, Tennessee, making the trip up to Lake Cumberland Speedway. The 55 of DJ Hayes out of Rockholds, Kentucky. And the 33 second generation driver out of Somerset, Kentucky. That is Eric Bryant. So first lap for Ryan Hargis puts him fourth quick, as it is Nathan Adams goes fast time with a 16.925. Eric Bryant, DJ Hayes, Ryan Hargis rounding out this group. Checker flag in the air. We need the Lumber King Grassroots Hobby Stocks. Lumber King Grassroots Hobby Stocks. We need you to staging after that first group. Eric Bryant at 17.074 puts him second. Ryan Hargis, DJ Hayes, your top four there as we get ready to roll out our next group of qualifiers. The 42 of Skylar Hayes out of Rockholds, Kentucky. The 41, Paxton Cox, third generation driver out of Whitley City, Kentucky. And then number 41. The 0 of Cody Collins out of Winchester, Kentucky, and the 48 of Les Jackson, Les out of Corbin. So our next group of qualifiers out on the track. Paxton Cox goes fifth quick on his first lap. The 42 of Skylar Hayes goes fourth quick at 17.337. The 0 of Cody Collins at 17.568. And Les Jackson goes at 17.544. Checker flag in the air. Lumber King Grassroots Hobby Stocks qualifying the 41, Weston Cox out of Whitley City, Kentucky, part of that Racing Cox family out of McCreary County. Three generations racing here at Lake Cumberland Speedway. The 47 out of Burnside, Kentucky is Chris Privet. The 1 in the USA 1 is Gerald Haynes Jr. out of Somerset, Kentucky. Longtime racer here at Lake Cumberland Speedway. And the 24, third generation driver out of Eubank, Kentucky, that is Ethan Decker. 17.523 for Weston Cox. Gerald Haynes Jr. goes quick time at 17.385 after the first lap of this qualifying group. Ethan Decker goes fourth, 17.968. Decker brings it off of turn 4, and he will jump to third quick at 17.652. So Gerald Haynes Jr. out of Somerset, Kentucky continues to be your fast qualifier.